Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto G73 and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings, and then let's find the passwords, the security. Let's tap on it. Now we have to scroll down a little to find the fingerprint, and as you can see, this is the very first step of adding the fingerprint, which may be quite confusing because we have to choose a screen lock. Of course, if you've got one currently set, your device will simply transfer you to another step. If not, you really have to do it right now. It is because that if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device. So this is a kind of a backup screen lock method, which is also set here. So you really have to do it. Because if you will not do it, or of course it will not happen because you have to, but if the screen lock or the fingerprint will not work, you will have to go through the hard reset operation, which will wipe out all of the data. So remember about that. Let's tap on the option you'd like to. I will pick the pattern, so let me draw it and redraw it and confirm. Here we have to decide what kind of lock screen, what kind of notifications we want to show on the lock screen. Just pick the option you'd like to use and tap on done. And here we've got the information about the fingerprint itself, so that we can use it to unlock the phone, to authorize the purchases, or sign into apps. So of course just tap on setup. We've got also the animation, which will show us where we've got the sensor, which is located of course on the power button on the right side of our device. Let me put my finger on it, and as you can see right now we have to do it multiple times and change the position of the finger in order to add each area of it. And of course it will increase the recognition. Alright, and as you can see it's quite easy, the fingerprint has been added. So let's tap on add another, not add another, sorry. Just tap on the fingerprint here. Okay, and after confirming, after picking the option that you don't want to add another fingerprint, you will be transferred to this place. So here we've got our finger we just added. We can remove it just by tapping on the trash bin icon. We can rename it also if you want to. I will do it because why not? You can also add another fingerprint here, so you don't have to do it immediately after setting the first fingerprint. I believe you can add up to 5 different fingerprints, I believe. Here you've got the option touch to unlock, which simply means that you will be able to unlock your device only with the touching of the power button, because if you will have this option turned off, you will have to not only touch it but also press it. So it may be a little bit less comfortable than this option touch to unlock. So I will leave this option turned on. And let's check if it is working. So let me lock the device and let me put my finger on the sensor. And as you can see, it is unblocked, which simply means that we just successfully added the fingerprint. So basically that's all. This is how to add the fingerprint to your MOTOROLA Moto G73. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.